Zika Fair forces Health Ministry to make changes in how it collects blood. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Waterland operator takes issue with government investigation into its operation.
JCSA calls for public sector pension and compensation to be reformed.
Parents of 3-year-old killed in Sudan offered bail.
In the financial week, Grace Kennedy reports a strong profit growth.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Have you or do you know anyone who has contracted Zika? What was the experience in getting treatment in the public health system?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns right after this break.